Chapter 14. Grandma's Party. Arnav, Mahul and Simmi are in Tina's house. Tina's parents are not at home. Her grandmother is resting in her room. She is thirsty. She wants something to drink. Let me make some lemonade, she says. She is calling out to Tina and her friends. Grandmother, I'm very thirsty. I want to drink something sweet and cold. I'm going to make lemonade. Do you want some? Tina. Yes, Grandma. Arnav. Me too. Mahul. I want a whole jug. Simmi. What a greedy boy you are. Grandma, do you want some help? The children are helping Grandma. They are working with her in the kitchen. Grandma is cutting lemons. She is squeezing the lemons in a dish. Now she is mixing sugar, water and the lemon juice together in a jug. Tina is opening the fridge. She is taking out ice cubes from the freezer. She is giving them to Grandma. Now she is putting the ice tray back into the freezer. Arnav is helping her. Mahul, the ice tray is empty. There is no water in it. Simmi, Tina, let me put some water in the ice tray. Grandma is putting the ice cubes in the jug. The children are watching her. Grandma, leave it for a few minutes now. Soon the lemonade becomes cold. Tina is touching the jug. It is cold. Mahul is putting 5 glasses on the table. Now Grandma is pouring the lemonade into the glasses. The children are looking at the lemonade. Arnav, can I start drinking the lemonade? Grandma, wait, I have a surprise for you. Grandma is opening the cupboard. She is taking out a jar of cookies. Grandma, here are some cookies for you. Tina, thank you, Grandma. This is the best lemonade party of this summer. Grandma, let's have another party tomorrow. All the children. Hooray! Grandma, you are great. New words. Thirsty. Feeling a need to drink. Lemonade. A drink made from lemon juice and water sweetened with sugar. Whole. All of, entire. Greedy. Having an excessive desire or appetite for food. Squeezing. Manage to get into or through a narrow or restricted space. Freezer. A refrigerated cabinet or room. Empty. Not filled or occupied. Cupboard. A piece of furniture with a door and usually shelves used for storage. Understanding the lesson. A. Put a tick on the correct option. B. 1. Who is cutting the lemons? A. Tina. B. Simmi. C. Grandma. 2. Who is opening the fridge? A. Arnav. B. Tina. C. Simmi. 3. Who is helping Tina? A. Simmi. B. Mahul. C. Arnav. 4. Who wants to put water in the ice tray? A. Mahul. B. Tina. C. Simmi. B. Answer the following questions. 1. What is Grandma doing? Look at the pictures and answer. 2. Why does Grandma want something cold to drink? 3. Why does Simmi say, "What a greedy boy you are"? 4. Why do the children say, "Grandma, you are great"? Vocabulary zone. A. Look and read. 1 child. 3 children. Some words change when they become more than one. B. Match the one to its more than one. Grammar fun. Object. Read this. Grandma is making lemonade. What is Grandma making? Tina is opening the fridge. What is Tina opening? The fridge. Lemonade is the object or thing Grandma is making. Fridge is the object or thing Tina is opening. Both the words lemonade and fridge are objects in the sentences. Sentences have three parts: subject, predicate, and object. Remember, all sentences have a subject and predicate. But every sentence need not have an object. For example, this dog barks loudly. A. Look at the picture. Now read the answers given below to complete the questions. Example. Question. What is Rohit holding? Answer. Rohit is holding an umbrella. 1. Question. What dash? The shopkeeper dash. Answer. The shopkeeper is counting money. 2. Question. Dash. Mrs. Sharma dash. Answer. Mrs. Sharma is opening her purse. 3. Question. Dash. Priya dash. Answer. Priya is eating an ice cream. B. Match the sentences to their objects. Read this sentence. Arnav, Mahul and Simmi are in Tina's house. In this sentences, Tina's house tells you that the house belongs to Tina. We use an apostrophe S to show belonging. Look at the pictures and answer the questions. Example. Question. Whose horse is this? Answer. It is Raja's horse. Question. Whose ball is this? Question. Whose bicycle is this? Write well. One day Grandma is thirsty. She wants some cold lemonade. She finds that there are no lemons in the house. She sends Mahul to buy lemons. Write a short description of the preparations Grandma makes while she is waiting for Mahul. Listening time. Your teacher will read the story given below. Listen carefully and answer the following questions. Two cats find a loaf of bread. They start fighting over it. A monkey offers to help them. He breaks the loaf of bread into two pieces. One piece is bigger than the other. He takes a bite out of it. Now this piece is small and the other piece is big. So he takes a bite of the second piece of bread. The monkey keeps on biting. Soon the loaf is gone and the cats get nothing at all. 1. What do the cats find? 2. Who offers to help them? 3. What does the monkey do? 4. What do the cats get in the end? The teacher picks up a pencil from a student's desk. She asks one student, whose pencil is this? The student answers, it is Zia's pencil. The teacher then picks up books, erasers, boxes and many more things and asks the same question. Example. Whose bag is this? It is Ria's bag.